With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question here says that the dihydroxy acetone phosphate is a common respiratory intermediate metabolite of which of the following components? So dihydroxy acetone phosphate is also called as DHAP, and it is a monosaccharide and it is a tetrose. That means it is a triose phosphate type of a sugar. Triose phosphate means that it is having 3 carbon in the chain. So this is a 3 carbon compound. Let's see where it is exactly formed during the metabolism of glucose. So here the glycolysis step, the glucose first gets converted into the glucose 6 phosphate by a phosphorylation step, which later on gets converted into the fructose 6 phosphate. Then this fructose 6 phosphate again against another molecule of phosphate to get converted into fructose 1,6 biphosphate. Then there is a splitting reaction, which is a very important step, and it gets converted into 2 3 carbon compounds. One is DHAP, the dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and the phosphoglyceraldehyde, which is another 3 carbon compound, and then the reaction will be carried out though these two compounds are interconvertible. Now we need to find out that DHAP is a byproduct of which of these. While we have seen in this reaction that glucose is no doubt involved in this, so glucose is the answer, but along with this we have one more component given, which is going to form the dihydroxyacetone phosphate by its breakdown. So this component is the fat. So here beta oxidation of fat results in the formation of this component dihydroxyacetone phosphate from the fatty acid and glycerol. While we know fats have got the 2 components, that is they are formed up of fatty acid and glycerol, which can get converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Now later on this dihydroxyacetone phosphate can get converted into phosphoglyceraldehyde and can carry out the further reaction. Whereas when we talk about proteins are not the components which can get converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate, though they may also enter into the respiratory pathway, but proteins get converted into, first they are broken down into amino acids, and these amino acids then enter into the respiratory pathway by converting themselves into pyruvic acid. Now pyruvic acid is the end product of the glycolysis. Now this is where the proteins are added. So here we can see that the right answer for this question becomes option number 2, that is glucose and fatty acids. So this is all about this query. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.